Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Srimad Bhagavatam, 8th canto, chapter 15, text 35. Tatvastadanubhavena bhuvana traya visrutam kirtim dikhyo vitanvana sarija uduradiva. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. When Bali Maharaj performed these sacrifices, he gained a great reputation in all directions throughout the three worlds. Thus is shown in his position like the brilliant moon in the sky. Parvati Sloka, text 36. Bubhuje cha sriyam swaha swaddham Dvija devo palambhitam Kritakrutyamivatmanam Manyamano mahamana Bubhuje cha sriyam swaddham Dvija devo palambhitam Kritakrutyamivatmanam Manyamano mahamana. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Because of the favor of the Brahmanas, the great soul Bali Maharaj, thinking himself very satisfied, became very opulent and prosperous and began to enjoy the kingdom. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. The Brahmanas are called Dvija Deva and Kshatriyas are generally called Naradeva. The word Deva actually refers to Supreme Personality Godhead. The Brahmanas guide human society in becoming happy by satisfying Lord Vishnu. And according to their advice, the Kshatriyas, who are called Naradeva, keep law and order so that other people, namely the Vaishyas and Sudras, may properly follow regulatory principles. In this way, people are gradually elevated to Krishna consciousness. Thus, in the Bhaktivedanta purpose of the 8th canto, 15th chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam, entitled Bali Maharaj Conquers the Heavenly Planets. There one thing is noted. Because of the favor of the Brahmanas, great soul Bali Maharaj, thinking himself very satisfied, became very opulent and prosperous and began to enjoy the kingdom. So the Brahmanas guide the human society. Brahmanas are considered to be the head portion, brain portion of the society. The Brahmana, intelligent class. They will guide the society. According to their advice, the Kshatriyas, who are called Naradeva, keep law and order so that other people, namely the Vaishyas and Sudras, may properly follow regulatory principles. In this way, people are gradually elevated to Krishna consciousness. Chaturvanya maya srishta guna karma vibhagasya. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. This varnasrama vibhaga, dharma, isn't it? Is created by Krishna. Krishna says, maya srishta. Chaturvanya maya srishtam guna karma vibhagasa. Chaturvanya maya srishtam guna karma vibhaga. According to guna and karma, the four varna vibhaga has been created, in whom sattva guna predominates is natural Brahma. In whom raja guna predominates is the natural Kshatriya. In whom there is a mixture of raja and tama is natural Vaishya. In whom tama guna predominates is Sudra. You understand? So, and it is there because this material world, three modes of mental nature is predominating. All are under these three modes of nature, Sattva-gun, Rajagun, Tamagun. So this system, Brahman, Vaishya, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra, it is always there. It's not a fact that one is born in Brahman family, he'll become Brahmana. It's not a fact. If Sattva-guna is predominant, whatever family he may be born, is natural Brahman. He may be born in a Chandal family, but if Sattva-guna is predominating, it's to be understood that he is Brahmana. You understand? He is Brahmana. Many examples are there. Many examples are there where you'll find that they are very, very famous Brahmanas, but they were born in very low family. Understand? This example is Valmiki Rishi. You know Valmiki Rishi? So Valmiki Rishi was born from ant hill, isn't it? He was born from ant hill. So he became Brahmana. Great Brahman, famous Brahmana. Do you follow? He became famous Brahmana. How? Valmiki Rishi was born from ether. Yes. It is said here. Rishyasrunga Mrugyaha. Rishyasrunga Rishi is a famous Brahman. He was born from a deer. So he became famous Brahman. Kausika Kusat. Kausika Muni Rishi, famous Brahman. He was born from Kusa grass. You see. Jambuka Jambukat. Jambuka Rishi. Jambuka Rishi is a famous Brahman. He was born from Jambuka. Jambuka, what do you say? In English? An aquatic. No, aquatic animal is found in sea. Yes. You understand? It's a jump. I don't know its English. What is that? No. Every little animal. We say jumbo. Snare. Snare. Yes. It's found in sea. Do you understand? That Jambuka. That is born from that Jambuka Rishi is famous Brahman. Then Vyasa is Vyasdev. Krishnadev and Vyasa is born from Kaivarti Kanya, daughter of a fisherman, Satyavati, isn't it? He was born famous. Is incarnation of Lord Narayana, you see. And Gautama Rishi was born from Sasa Prushta Sasa, what do you say? Hair? Hair? Do you know hair? Huh? No. H-A-R-E? Huh? Rabbit. Yes, rabbit. Yeah. So he was born from the rabbit. That is Gautama. And Vasishtha, you see, Vasishtha was born from Urvas. Do you follow? Urvasi, the heavenly prostitute. Urvasi. Vasishtha was born from him. Huh? Huh? And Agastya Muni, he was born from water pot, Colossus. Huh? Colossus. So many examples you find out. Famous Brahmanas, they are born from such low birth, they are low birth. How they became Brahman? Because of this guna karma. Acquires Brahminical qualities and does Brahminical activity, it becomes Brahmana. It's not that fact that yes, the level of demigods. That birth is not Brahman. Jati, caste is not Brahmana. In Chandogya Upanishad, you find that episode, a story is there. Satyakam Javal, Gautam Charit. One boy came to Gautam Muni for Upanayana. Do you follow? Upanayana, sanskar. Then Gautam Muni asked, what is your gotra? Family, heritage, gotra. His name gotra. Is generally determined by his father. Determined by the father. Do you understand? From the father. So that boy said, I don't know. I don't know what is my gotra. Once I asked my mother. The mother said, Jauvani Paricharini. When I was a young lady, I was a prostitute. Many persons were coming to me and enjoying me. So you are born. I cannot say who is your father. Cannot be determined. Do you follow me? So your gotra cannot be said. My name is Javala and your name is Satyakam. So combine two names, my name is Satyakam Javala. Do you follow? Boldly, fearlessly said this thing to Gautam Muni. Then Gautam said, no, you are Brahman. Immediately said, you are Brahman. How could? Because you fearlessly spoke the truth. Nobody could say like this. Such truth, that my mother is a prostitute. Who is my father cannot be determined. Nobody could say. Hide the truth. But you didn't hide it. You boldly say. Fearlessly said. So you are Brahman. That is one of the characteristics of Brahman. Who speaks truth fearlessly, boldly, never hides. Satyanishta. That's Brahman. So you are Brahman. So go, take bath, collect samhita. I'll give you Upanayana. This is there in Upanishad. Do you follow? Who is real Brahman? Also you'll find this Prithu Maharaj, fourth canto, Bhagavatam, who was the emperor, ruler of the whole world, isn't it? Prithu Maharaj. Yes, ruler of the whole world. So it is mentioned fourth canto, Bhagavatam. Sarvatra Skhalita Deso Saptadipeika Dandadruk. Annatra Brahmana Kulad, Annatra Achyuta Gotrataha. He was ruling the whole world. He was ruler. His administration was very strict administration. All were obeying it. His rule, his administration was inflicted on one and all. But his rule and administration was not inflicted upon Brahmanas and Vaishnavas. Do you follow? Upon Brahmanas and Vaishnavas, no. Because Brahmanas and Vaishnavas are guru of the Kshatriya, Naradeva, it is said here. Prabhupada Maharaj said. Brahmanas are called Dijadeva and Kshatriyas are generally called Naradeva. The word Deva actually refers to the Supreme Personal Godhead. Brahmanas guide human society in becoming happy by satisfying Lord Vishnu, and according to their advice, Kshatriyas, who are called Naradev, give law and order so that other people, namely the Vaishyas and Sudras, may properly follow regulative principles. In this way, people are gradually elevated to Krishna consciousness. Do you understand? So Brahmanas and Vaishnavas, they are guru. Brahmanas, Vaishnavas will guide the king, the ruler. According to their instruction, the king will rule the country. So, king's rule is not inflicted on Brahmanas and Vaishnavas. That is it. So, what is difference between Brahmana and Vaishnava? That one should be said. Brahmana kulad annatra achyuta gotrataha. The Vaishnava's gotra is achyuta gotra. When one becomes Vaishnava, then his gotra is achyuta gotra. Do you follow? Achyuta gotra, no other gotra. But those who are so-called Brahmanas, born in family of some Rishis like Bharadwaj, Kashyap, Gautam, like this, the Rishis, their family. So they have gotra. Bharadwaj gotra, Gautam gotra, Kashyap gotra, Vatsayana gotra. Do you understand? This gotra. Those Brahmanas have that, those gotras. They are not, they are Achyuta gotra. But Vaishnavas are Achyuta gotra. Do you follow me? They are Achyuta gotriyas, and Vaishnavas are Achyuta gotriya. Do you follow? Huh? What gotra is? Gotra means this father's succession. You see, gotra is determined. I first said, what is gotra? Not a seminal. Yes. Seminal succession. Do you understand? This is gotra. Father's seminal succession. Gotra is determined. So Gautam Muni asked that boy, what is your gotra? He said, no, I cannot say. Because it's not, who is my father cannot be determined. My mother said like this. So, these Brahmanas are known as Achyuta gotriya, whereas Vaishnavas are known as Achyuta gotriya. Do you follow? Achyuta gotriya, Achyuta gotriya. Achyuta means fallible, Achyuta means infallible. Do you follow? When a Brahmana accepts a Vaishnava guru and is initiated by Vishnu mantra, he becomes Vaishnava. He becomes Vaishnava. This Brahmana becomes Vaishnava, then his Paramarthika Brahmanata. Then becomes Pakka Brahman, the real Brahman. Brahma Tattva, one who knows Brahma Tattva is Brahman. General definition of Brahman. Brahma Tattva, who knows Brahma Tattva is Brahman. But one who doesn't know Brahma Tattva, but only born in a Brahmin family, is cannot be called Brahmana. In Kali Yuga, there are no Brahmanas. Kalo sarve Sudra Sambhava. In Kali Yuga, all are Sudras. Do you understand? All are Sudras. No Brahman is there. Because this Rajagun, Tamagun is predominating. So all are Sudras. This so-called Semina, Brahmana's semina is not pure. the seminal succession. The Brahmanas are born in Brahmana family. Their semina is not pure, therefore no Brahmanas. Again, Janmana Jayate Sudra Sanskaro Dijautyate. Janmana Jayate Sudra Sanskaro Dijautyate. That's it. One is born as Sudra, but when he accepts Guru, bona fide Guru, and Guru performs purificatory ceremony, then gives second birth, he becomes Dvija. You follow? Dvija. Dvija means second birth, new birth. He becomes Dvija. Otherwise, he is Sudra. That is said. So when so-called Brahmana accepts a Vaishnava Guru and becomes initiated by him, gets mantra from him, then he becomes pure Brahmana. Vaishnava is Brahmana. Pakka. One who knows this Vishnu Tattva, Brahma Tattva, Jnana Tattva, he is Brahmana. But without only having birth in Brahman family, doesn't know this Vishnu Tattva, Vaishnava Tattva, the absolute truth, he cannot be said Brahmana. Brahma Janati Brahmana. Brahma means Bhagavan. You understand? Bruhat Vastas, big. Bruhanatvat Brahma is Nigadyate. That means Brahma refers to Bhagavan Vishnu or Krishna. Mahaprabhu says, Brahma Sabda Iswara Kahe, Swayam Bhagavan Krishna, Shastra Praman. Mahaprabhu says, when he was defeating Mahabhatis, they are saying Brahma, Brahma, Brahma. But Mahaprabhu says, what is that Brahma? Brahma Sabda Iswara Kahe, Swayam Bhagavan. Brahma means Iswara, Parameswara is Swayam Bhagavan. Swayam Bhagavan is Krishna. This is all Shastra Praman. Do you understand? Shastric evidences. One who knows this truth, this tattva, Vishnu tattva or Krishna tattva, in other words, you may say, he is Brahmana. He is Vaishnava, he is Brahmana. That is this. Those are Brahmana, they have magnanimous heart. They are not narrow-minded, magnanimous. But was not Brahmana, he is Kripana. The opposite word, a Brahmana is Kripana, is narrow-minded, is Sudra. Do you understand? So Brahma means Siddhanandamaya Vishesha Brahma Vishnu, knows this. But in Kali Yuga, Brahma Tattva no jananti Brahma Sutrena Garbita. These Brahmanas, Kali Yuga Brahmanas, they don't know Brahma Tattva, but they are very proud because of this Brahma Sutra. I am Brahma. Such Brahma, not real Brahma. So another definition is there. A Brahmana, Jatakarmadi Vidyastu Sanskari Sanskrita Suchi Vedadhyana Sampanna Sarsu Karma Subhastitaha. Sauchachara Sthita Samyak Vigasasi Guru Priya Nityabrati Satyapara Savai Brahmana Uchyate. This is from Mahabharata. You understand this quotation from Mahabharata? He said, one who has been purified by Guru, do you understand? The Guru has performed all these purificatory ceremonies. He is Brahmana. In Veda, we have Dasavidha Sanskara. Do you know? 10 types, 10 purificatory ceremonies beginning from Garbhadhana to Upanayana. Do you follow? Garbhadhana to Upanayana, 10 purificatory ceremonies are there. And we perform it. We perform it. Because Brahmana, Vaishnavas are real Brahmanas. Vaishnavas are real Brahmanas. So we perform all these purificatory ceremonies. Is a first ceremony purificatory ceremony is Garbhadan. Do you understand? First is Garbhadan. Garbhadan means, giving seeds, semen, then pregnancy is there. First Garbhadan. Second is Punsavana. Third is Simantanayana. Four is Jatakarma. When child is born, when sanskar is there, it's called Jatakarma. Then fifth one is Niskramana. Sixth one is Namakarana, name giving. Seventh one is Paustika Karma. Eighth one, Annaprasana, first taking grain. Annaprasana. 9 is Chudakarana, shaving the hair. The hair that is from mother's womb. That will shaved. Then new hair will grow. That is needed. Chudakarana, the 10th is Upanayana, the 10 sanskaras. This is Vedic prefectory ceremony. Those are Brahmanas, they undergo these 10 prefectory ceremonies. They are purified. Jatakarmadi Vidyastu, that is stated here. Sanskari Sanskrita Suchihi Vedadhena Sampataha Sampanna Sarsu Karma Subhastita Sauchachara Stita Samyak Vigasasi Gurupriya Nityabrati Satyapara Sabai Brahmanachate. The one who has undergone these purificatory ceremonies, he is Brahmana. He always studies Veda, Vedadhyana, Rata. He is always clean, Saucha Sampanna. Do you understand? Not unclean. And he is expert in the 6 types of activities: Jajana, Jadana, Adhyana, Adhyapana, Dana, Pratigraha. Satkarma Nipuna Vipra, Mantra Tantra Visarda. Avaisma Guru Na Vaisnava Sopaja Guru. That is saying. That is Brahmana karma. 6 types of karma. Jajana, 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 Adhyana, Adhyapana, Dana, Pratigraha. Do you follow? Jajana, Jajana, Adhyana, Adhyapana, Dana, Pratigraha. Do you know these 6 types of karma? Jadana, did you worship? Jadana, he teaches it. Adhyana, Adhyapana, he is always studies Veda and also teaches Veda, Adhyapana. Jadana, Jadana, Adhyana, Adhyapana, Dana, Pratigraha. He gives charity, he gives Gyan Dan. He never gives money Dan, Artha Dan. Do you follow? Gyan Dan. Gyan. Imparts Gyan. That is Brahmana's Dan. Charity. And Pratigraha, others give him donation. Kyas and kind. And he accepts. These are 6 types of Brahmana karma. Do you understand? He's very expert in these 6 types of karma. He is Brahmana. Sauchachara Stita, he is always suchi, clean, purified. Guru's Vigasasi accepts the remnants of Guru. Do you understand? He is Vigasasi. Accepts the remnants of Guru. And Guru Priya, very dear to the Guru, Nitya Brata Parayana, strictly follows the principles of celibacy, principles of Vedic etiquette, do you understand? Vedic rules. Takes very strict vow, Brata Parayana, Satyanistha, is very truthful. And that boy, he fearlessly spoke truth. That Gautama Muni said, no, you are Brahman, because he spoke truth fearlessly. That is one of the characteristics of Brahman. Satyanistha, he is Brahmana. 3 types of birth is there. Do you understand? Manu Sangita says 3 types of birth. Do you know? Sukra, Savitra, Daikya. Do you follow? Sukra means from seminar. Sukra means seminar. Do you understand? Sukra, Savitra, Daikya. Maturogre adhijananam dvityam manchi bandhane. Shrutiyam yajna dikhyayam dhijasya shruti chodanat. The one who is Brahmana, he has three births. All have Shukra birth. All are Shukra birth. Means all are born from the Zamina. First is Shukra. Do you follow me? From Semina. Janmana jayate Shudra sanskaro dija uchyate. That's another. By birth one is Shudra. When in Guru Graha, Guru's ashram, purificatory ceremony is performed, then he becomes Dvija, second birth. Janmana jayate Shudra sanskaro dvija uchyate. Otherwise, there is no purificatory ceremony performed by Guru, then he is Shudra. So first one is born as Shudra by Semina. That is Shukra Dharma. Then, when Guru performs purificatory ceremony, gives Upanayana, that is second birth. That is known as Savitra. Do you follow? Savitra birth. That is known as Savitra. Then, Dakya. Do you understand? Guru performs the purificatory ceremony, gives Parinam. That is Savitra. Then third one is Daikya. When he takes Gayatri Dikya, then he can perform Jagya. This Jagya Dikya. Sakribhava. Do you follow me? That is known as Daikya. So there are three types of birth. Shukra, Savitra, Daikya. And Brahmana has these three births. Do you follow? That is Brahmana. In Kali Yuga, all are Sudras. Kalu sarve Sudra Sambhava. There are no Brahmana. My Guru Maharaj says, we are creating Brahmanas because we perform these purificatory ceremonies and we giving them these mantras, becoming mantras, Vaishnavas, and we are teaching Vedas, they are studying Vedas, isn't it? Essence of all Vedas is Srimad Bhagavatam. That's the essence of all Vedas. Gita is the essence of all Upanishads, Vedas. We are teaching this and this. All are studying it. So that is Brahmana. You understand? In Kali Yuga, so therefore my Guru Maharaj says, in Kali Yuga there are no Brahmanas and we are creating Brahmanas, giving them training. Because Brahmanas are the head portion of the society. In Kali Yuga there is society, there is no head, headless society. That is why. In Padma Puran is mentioned about Kali Yuga Brahman. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra, Papa Parayana, Nijachara, Vihinastro, Bhavishyanti, Kalu Yuge. Vipra, Veda Vihinastro, Patigraha Parayana, Atyanta Kamina Krura, Bhavishyanti, Kalu Yuge. Veda Ninda, Karastaiva, Dvita Churjyo Karasthatha, Vidhava Sangalubdhastro, Bhavishyanti, Kalu Dvija. Vrutyartha Brahmana, Kechit Mahakavata Dharmina, Raktambara Bhavishyanti, Jatila Smasrudharina, Kalu Yuge Bhavishyanti, Brahmana Sudra Dharmina. Brahmana never, one who is Sudra, he serves. So no Brahman, is all Sudra. Is it?
One takes an employment.
Yes, so unemployment. What is that?
One is not seeking for work, but takes the unemployment.
He's getting unemployment. What is that government gives?
No. Pension.
Pension. He's getting unemployment. He's getting unemployment. Government gives unemployment. And in India also they are starting also. Yes. Unemployed, give us employment, because we are Sudras. We want employment. But Brahman never seeks employment. Brahman gives advice to the ruler, king. Brahman is guru. The ruler, king makes all arrangements for his. He gives him land, gives him house, gives him money, everything. What is necessary? The ruler gives, king gives. And he's engaged in Vedadhyana, studying Vedas, keeping very pure, keeps of purity, and does tapasya, strict bhav, you understand, and teaches, imparts Vedic knowledge, and is provided with all necessities. He never seeks employment, he is Brahman. But all are seeking employment. In Kali Yuga, they are all Sudras. So, Padma Purana says, what is Kali Yuga Brahman? In Kali Yuga, no real Brahman is there, no real Kshatriya is there, no real Vaishya is there. All are Sudras. Vipra Vedo Vihinascha, Pratigroha Parayana. So-called Brahmanas in Kali Yuga, they are Rakshasas. You understand? In other Yugas. They are Rakshasas in other Yugas. Brahmana, Kalingasrita, Jayate, Asura, Kalingasrita, Jayate, Brahmajonishu. Those are Asuras. Those are demons in other Yugas. They are Brahmanas in Kali Yuga. Do you understand? It is mentioned in Ramayana. When this Vibhishana came. Do you follow? Vibhishana, youngest brother of Ravana. Ravana, Kumbhakarna, third one is Vibhishana. He is devotee, great devotee of Lord Ram. So he came to Ram's camp to take shelter of Lord Ram. But others suspected him. Others suspected him that he is from enemy's camp. He has come and is just taking a plea that I have come to take shelter of you. But we should not believe him. Do you follow? But Lord Ram knows it. He knows. But others said, no, we shouldn't believe. Yes, he has come from enemy's camp. But at that time, Vibhishana said, if I would have come in a plea, disguise, not really, to take shelter, that I would be born as Brahmana in Kali Yuga, he said. I would be born as a Brahmana in Kali Yuga. Because Rakshasa and Kalingasrita, Jayate Brahmajonishu. But those who are Rakshasas, demons in other Yugas, they are born as Brahmanas, caste Brahmana in Kali Yuga. Therefore he said, I would be born as a Brahmana in Kali Yuga. He said that, therefore. Because truly he has come to take shelter, he is devotee. That is what he said. So that Guru Purana says that thing. The so-called Brahmanas in Kali Yuga are Rakshasas of other Yugas. Yes. This Varaha Purana says this is. Rakshasa Kalingasrityo Jayanti Brahmajonishu Utpanna Brahmana Kule Badante Sotriyan Krusan. He said. Those who are Asuras, demons in other Yugas, they are born as Brahmanas, caste Brahmanas in Kali Yuga. This Varaha Purana says. Chaitanya Bhagavata says the same thing. এই সকল রাক্ষস ব্রাহ্মণ নাম মাত্র, এই সব লোক যমযাতনার পাত্র, কলিযুগে রাক্ষস সকল বিপ্র ঘরে জন্মিবে কসুর হিংসা করিবার, এসব বিপ্রে স্পর্শ কথা নমস্কার ধর্মশাস্ত্রে শ্রদ্ধা নিষেধ করিবার. Vrindavan Das Thakur says, the demons who are demons in the Yuga, they are born as Brahmana, so-called Brahmana, Jati, caste Brahmana in Kali Yuga. They will be punished by Jamaraj. And they will be very envious of sadhus. Do you understand? Sujana. One should not touch such so-called Brahmanas One should not pay obeisance to so-called Brahmanas. You understand? Because they are not real Brahmanas. Not real Brahmanas. Ah. And in Kali Yuga, this seminal succession is impure. It's not pure seminal succession. Asuddha Sudra Kalpai Brahmana Kali Sambhava Tisang Agomargena Sudhirna Srutuvartmana. That is it. In Kali Yuga, there is no purity in semina. So seminal succession of Brahmanas are not pure, therefore Brahmanas are not bound. So called Sudra. Therefore, Pancharatrika Vidhi is the only Vidhi that the purificatory ceremony will be performed. Then can one become, a Sudra can become Brahman. That is it. Sudhirna Srautavartmana. Do you understand? Pancharath. Jatha kanchana tangdati kansyam rasavidhanata. Tada diksha vidhanena dijattum jayate nunam. Do you follow? That Sanatana Goswami has quoted this in Hari Bhakti Vilasa. Jatha kanchana tangdati kansyam rasavidhanata. Tatha tada diksha vidhanena dijattum jayate nunam. What do you say? Kansa, what do you say? But bell metal. Bell metal?
By an alchemical process.
By chemical process, bell metal is turned into gold. Isn't it that? Kanchana tandati kansya rasa vidhanata. Similarly, by Diksha, Vaishnavya Diksha, Sudra can become Dvija. Do you understand? That is what it says. So, many things are said about this. न शुद्रा भगवत भक्तास्ते तु भागवता मता सर्ववर्णे सुते शुद्रा जेन भक्त्या जनार्दने. One who is a dear devotee of Lord Janardana, Krishna, he is not Sudra. In whatever family he may be born, but he is not Sudra. He is the real Brahman. But one who is not a devotee, Sarvane Sute Sudra, Jena Bhakta Janardane, not devotee of Lord Krishna or Vishnu, he may be born in a very high family. He is really Sudra. Do you understand? That is it. So, all these quotations are there. So I was saying, Vipra Veda Vihinasa Pratigraha Parayana. In Kali Yuga Brahman, they never, don't read Veda. They are only after Bhojan and Dakshina. Do you understand? Bhojan Nutyanti Vipra. This is Vedic. This is Vedic principle. Vedic principle. Regulation is there. One should call, invite Brahman and feed them. Brahman Bhojan. It is here in India. When people perform Shraddha ceremony. Do you know Shraddha ceremony? Yesterday I was telling you. Father Shraddha, Mother Shraddha. Father has died. So his death anniversary day is performed Shraddha. Is Shraddha. Vedic. So, according to Veda, one will invite some Brahmanas according to his capacity and feed them, give them nice food and give them some money, dakshina. They say dakshina, Brahman dakshina, Bodhan dakshina. Do you understand? So, this Kali Yuga Brahmanas only after this, eating and dakshina, pratigraha parayana. But they are non-Brahminical qualities, they don't know Brahma Tattva. And many such big Brahmanas with big bellies are sitting there. In Puri, you can see them. And in this link, Vasudev Mandir is, Ananta Vasudev Mandir temple is here in Old Bhubaneswar. Generally, people go there, Mahaprasad. They purchase and they feed Brahmanas. Perform Shraddha ceremony. All right, let us go to Puri or let us go to Ananta Vasudev Mandir, purchase some Mahaprasad, feed the Brahmanas. So many Brahmanas are sitting there. Then one such person arrives, many Brahmanas. How many Brahmanas do you want? 10, 20, 50, all are there. No, I want 10. All right. Then 10 came out with big bellies and Brahma Sutra. Brahma Tattva Nandi Brahma Sutra and Garbhita. So the person feeds them nice. They're very greedy, lowy. You understand? Very greedy person. So they eat so much eat, so big bellies. Then he gives dakshina. 1 rupee. Bah! You rascal! Give more! We'll curse you. Your father will go to hell. Suspects are none. Harsh words, you see. Pratigra Purana, I said. They are only after this. These Brahmanas. Atyanta kamina krura bhavisyanti kalaujuya. Very cruel, krura, kamina, lusty. In Kali Yuga, such Brahmanas will be like that. Is prophecy. Veda nindagrasaiva dyuta chorjagrastha. They blasphemy Veda. They are always taking ganja, doing some bhang, nisas intoxication, and playing this jua, dyuta krida, gambling, dice. Yes, dice, they are playing. Sitting and playing dice. This dyuta chaurja, and they are also committed theft. Vidhava sangalubdhasa vaisyanti kalaujugi. In Brahman family, there is system. Now they are not obeying. Still that system. In Brahman family, they give marriage to the girls. Very, very young age. 8 years, 9 years old girls. Because it's said in Manusmriti, if one's daughter attends menstruation in father's house, then all his father's descendants will go to hell. Manusmriti is there. Do you understand? So before attaining puberty, they give marriage. They give marriage. Do you understand? Do you follow my words? Before attaining puberty, they give marriage. So if husband dies, when she attends puberty, husband dies, then she became widow. No second marriage is allowed. Very strictly they follow. Now nobody is following, but it was custom as a Vedic rule. So then that girl would remain throughout the world widow, cannot accept another husband. Do you understand? So this Vidhava sangalubdhasa. So so-called Brahmanas, Kali Yuga, they enjoy it. That means they do illicit sex. Is Vidhava sangalubdhasa. Bhavishyanti is said, Kali Yuga Brahmanas will be like that. 5,000 years ago, Vyasdev has written this thing. And it is not going on. This prophecy. Vrityartham Brahmano kechid mahakapada dharmina. Only for maintaining their livelihood, they are Brahmanas. Earn my money by that. By eating and getting some dakhin. Do you understand? Following karma kandiya portion of Veda. Do you understand? Because they have some so-called followers. What is a family priest? They do the work of family priest. So the go to their followers, families, do some karma kandiya ceremonies and get some dakshina, money. Thereby they maintain their family, their livelihood. It's Vrityartha Brahmana. Kechid mahakapadharma, great crooked persons. Kapadharmina, duplicitous persons. Raktambra, bhavishyanti jatila smasrudharina. They put on red cloth and put on beard, mustache, and big mala, Rudraksha mala. And this Sita. We have this Urdhva Pundra. Vaishnava is Urdhva Pundra, perpendicular, but they are horizontal, like this. It's called Brahman. It is said in this Padma Purana, this prophecy. Vaishnava Sarvasrestha. Vaishnava is guru of all the varnas. Vishnurayam jato yasi tasmad Vaishnava uchyate. Sarvesang Saiva Varnana Vaishnava Sreshta Uchyate. In Padma Purana says. One is Vaishnava, one is accepted Vaishnava Guru, initiated with the Vishnu mantra. He is Vaishnava, he is Guru of all the castes. Again, Padma Purana says, Sakrit Pranami Krishnasya Matustanyam Pivennahi Haripade Manujesam Tebhyao Nityam Namo Namaha Pukasaha Sopachavapi Jechanya Mritsadhataya Teyapi Bandyaha Mahabhaga Haripade Sevaka. One was taken shelter at the lotus feet of Krishna. Giving up all his false ego, everything, completely surrendered unto lotus feet of Krishna and paying obeisances. He will never be again born here. He will never come to the womb of mother again. One was developed bhakti in the lotus feet of Lord Hari, who is Vaishnava, also pay obeisance to him. Even those who are born in very, very low families, Chandal family, Pukasa means very low family, Chandal, dog-eating Chandal family, Mlechas family. Still, if someone becomes a bhakta, a dear devotee of Lord Hari, and takes shelter at the lotus feet of Lord Hari, he becomes Mahabhagavata, Vaishnava, and he is worshipable. In Hari Bhakti Vilas, Sanatana Goswami said, Nameo Bhakta Satruvedi Madhvakta Sopacha Priya Tasmai Deyam Tatugrajyam Sacha Pujyo Tadayam. This quoting Lord Hari's own statement. He says, Lord Hari says, one may be very proficient in 4 Vedas. Do you understand? Chaturvedi. But studied 4 Vedas, acquired knowledge of these 4 Vedas, Chaturvedi one may be, but such Brahman, he may be such Brahman, but if he is not my bhakta, he is not Brahman. He is not dear to me. Madhvakta Sopacha Priya, because someone is born in Chandal family, but he becomes my devotee, he is very dear to me. Tasmai deyam tatograjyam sacha pujya tathayam. Madhvakta puja vyadhika, Krishna says. One who becomes my bhakta, my devotee, he should be worshipped more than I. Do you understand? He said, Tasmai deyam tatograjyam sacha pujya tathayam. That Vaishnava should be worshipped as I am worshipped. Jathayaham. And if someone wants to give some donation, give him. He is the worthy person to receive donation. Because whatever you receive, we will utilize it for service of Vishnu and Vaishnava, Krishna and Krishna. Do you follow? He'll never utilize it for his own sense gratification. Tasmidiyum tatagrajya. Whatever he gives, accept it. That is what. Then, yes, Garuda Purana says in Bhakti Sandarbha, Jiva Goswami has quoted, Brahmananam sasribhyo satrajaji visishyate. Satrajaji sasribhyo sarvavedanta paraga. Sarvavedanta vichkotya Vishnu bhakta visishyate. Vaishnavanam sasribhyo akantiko visishyate. That means, out of 1,000 Brahmanas, one Jaginko is better. Jaginko means one who has received Yajna Dikya and performs expertly the Yajna. Do you follow me? He is better. Then say Satrajaji Sasribhya Sarva Vedanta Paraga. Out of such 1,000 Jaginko, do you follow? One Sarva Vedanta Paraga Sastrajna Sreshta. That means one who has studied all Vedantas, no Shastra, such a person is better. Do you follow? Then says, Sarva Vedanta Vichikotya, Vishnu Bhakta Visishyate. Out of 1 crore of such Vedanta, Shastrajna, do you follow? 1 crore people, persons. One Vishnu Bhakta is better. Do you understand? One Vishnu Bhakta, devotee of Lord Vishnu is better. Then he says, Vaishnava now sasabhya ekanteko vishishyate. Out of 1,000 such Vishnu Bhaktas, one Aikantika Krishna Bhakta is best. Do you follow? That is it. Better. Aikantika was developed another devotion unto Krishna is the better than 1,000 Vishnu Bhaktas, is said. Is Vaishnava. So, in Kali Yuga, there are no Brahmanas, but the Pancharatrika Vidhi is there. Only Vidhi recommended. No other Vidhis are recommended in Kali Yuga. The Pancharatrika Vidhi is recommended. That Vidhi is Vaishnava and accepts Vaishnava Guru, especially Gaura Priyajana, dear devotee of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, accepts us devotee as his Guru, surrenders completely, lotus feet of Guru, and Guru performs purificatory ceremony, gives him initiation, initiates him, and under the guidance of Guru, who chants the holy name, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Do you understand? Completely surrenders unto holy name unconditionally. Surrender to holy name and is engaged, rendering loving service unto lotus feet of Krishna. He is the best. You understand? It's a vice. Pancharatriki Diksha Vidhi. Only this Vidhi is recommended in Kali Yuga. Other Vidhis are not recommended. Do you understand? This is only Vidhi. He becomes real Brahman. Vaishnava means real Brahman. Is real Brahman. Vaishnava is Brahman. But so-called Brahman, if he doesn't accept says Vaishnava Diksha, he cannot be called Brahman. You understand? When someone accepts Vaishnava Diksha, becomes Vaishnava, then his Brahmanata is perfect, becomes perfect. You understand? Real Brahmanas are, Vaishnavas are real Brahman. It's better than Brahmanas, superior to Brahmanas. That we have said. If someone gets such Ashribad, blessings from such a Vaishnava, then he can become as a Paul Dantas. Bali. Bali got blessings from Brahmanas, Bhruguvansya Brahman. Brahman descendant from Bhrugu, Sukracharya. So Bali became so powerful. Brahmateja. He is endowed with Brahmateja, Brahmanical effulgence. That says. Now, by the instruction of their guru, demigods gurus, Bruhaspati, all the devatas, demigods, left heavenly kingdom, left. They were scattered, then stayed in different places in disguise, waiting for their opportune moment, favorable time for them. Now, next thing will come, Payobrata, then the Aditi, Devi, wife of Kashyapa, Aditi Devi, because demigods are her sons. And mothers should see that her sons are like that, bereft of all their opulences, demons have taken away everything. Then she will took up a vow, is Payobrata. Her husband will advise to do, that chapter is coming, next chapter. Then Lord Vaman Vishnu will be pleased, then Vaman Dev will appear. Then incarnation Vaman Dev will come. One of the name is Upendra. One of the name of Brahman Dev is Upendra, his younger brother of Indra. Upendra. You understand? His name is Brahman. They would come, will take away, will go to the arena of that sacrifice. Bali was doing Aswamedha Yajna, isn't it? 100. And so Brahman, they would go there, the arena of sacrifice, yajna, and beg for dan 3 pieces of land. You see? By that, he'll take out everything from body. You understand? All his opulences, all his property, everything what is there in 3 planetary systems, he has occupied everything. He'll take up everything. Then we'll give it to the Indra, Devatas. This thing.
You mentioned that was, having how the yoga, the seminal lines and theory.
It's not, it's impure, yeah. Mm.
We follow this process of Gavadans and Skara.
Yes.
So even though that's
Mm.
still, because the seminal was impure, people are students until they take that dictionary.
Now, if the sanskaras this, are performed by bona fide guru, then it becomes pure. This Pancharashtra Vidhi is the only Vidhi recommended. So this be the system, this sanskaras are performed. Guru, then it becomes pure. It becomes Vaishnava. You understand? Then purity is there. Purity is the force, you see. We strictly follow the 4 regulatory principles. No, even in thought, one may not think of anything sinful like purity. That we have. That is strict. Chanting always Hare Krishna, always thinking of Krishna, Manana Bhava. Always attached to Krishna. Yes. Always engaged in Krishna's loving service. Body, mind, and speech, and then it becomes pure. Then seminal success becomes pure. The real Bhakta, Vaishnava will take bath. Then stand. Vaishnava will take bath. Yes.
What about the, say for instance, my children? I know they're not Brahmins.
Ah,
I know my children aren't Brahmins, but
so to become Brahman.
but what is the position of the non-devotees who don't follow these samskaras?
Then they are Sudras. They are Sudras. You say they are Sudras. Don't follow the sanskar, don't accept Guru, not pure. No purification ceremony. Don't accept Guru. They are not under the discipline of Guru. So how can they be purified? How can they become Vaishnava or Brahman? No question at all. No question at all.
We're speaking about Brahmana being broad-minded.
Yes.
What is the idea?
Brahmana's opposite word of Brahman is Kripana. You understand? Kripana. 2nd chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna says, huh? And that was Karpanya dosa pahato svabhava pruthamitam dharma samudha cheta. Isn't it that verse? Huh? I'm not reading Gita. Karpanya dosa pahato svabhava. Prutham, 2nd chapter. Pruthamitam dharma samudha cheta. That's the Sreya. Badhanishita, Sishyate, Sadhiman, Tam Prapannam. It says Karpanya dosa. I am affected with this Karpanyata, not Brahmanata. Do you follow? Opposite word of Brahmana is Kripana. You say miser. But that's not proper word. But no other word is there in English. Yes. Those who are miser, they are known as Kripana. But opposite word of Brahmana is Kripana. Brahman is broad-minded. He gives whatever he has freely, without hesitation. But those misers don't give anything. They think mine, mine, mine. That's a miser, Kripana miser. Narrow-minded, yes. It's a narrow-minded. There's the broad-minded and the narrow-minded, Kripana. But Arjuna says, I'm affected with this Kripanata. I'm no Brahmanata. So I'm confused. I cannot determine, I cannot understand. What shall I do? What's my duty? I'm confused. I'm affected by this Kripanata, Karpanya dosa. You understand? That's it. Dosa upada swabhava. That's I am confused. My nature, I am just buildering, in bewilderment. I cannot decide what to do. Because I'm not Brahman, I am a Kripana. In other words, he said, I am a Kripana, I'm not Brahman. Because Brahman knows Brahma Tattva. He's fixed. But I am not so. So I accept Guru, I surrender unto you. Please impart that Tattva Jnana. Sadhimang, purify me, inflict strict discipline on me, purify me, then impart Tattva Jnana. That is there. Sisati hu sadhimang. Then one becomes Brahmana, knows Brahma Tattva, he is instructed by Guru. Otherwise, he'll be Kripana. He's Sudra, he's narrow-minded. Brahman is broad-minded. Yes. But in Kali Yuga Brahman, they are Sudras. They are Sudras, very narrow-minded, very greedy persons. Lohi, Kamaka, Krura. And it's also said, Gargi, that Prabhupada has quoted that verse. Garga Upanishad. Yes. Prabhupada has quoted that verse in Bhagavad Gita. In purport, Prabhupada's purport, you find that verse. Etad aksharam gargi jo viditva asman lokum preti. Sa brahmana. Etad aksharam gargi as. What is it? Na viditva. Asman lokum preti. Prabhupada has quoted these two verses. You see these two verses in purport of Bhagavad Gita. In that verse. Karpanna dosa pampasana. This says, who is Brahman, who is Karpanna? He quoted this Garga Upanishad. These two verses. You understand? Garga says to Gargi, Gargi, this is daughter, Gargi. One who knowing this Achyuta Vastu, Achyuta is infallible Lord. Knowing this Achyuta Vastu departs from this world, he is Brahmana. Not knowing Achyuta Vastu departs, he is Kripana. You understand?
God give me a smell and love.
Right,
That is a creeping out.
Yes.
That's the slogan.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
That's what I quoted. Prabhupada has quoted that.
Better than a dog, something like that. Some of them like an animal.
Like animal, yes.
Dog.
Yes.
That's his word. World.
Mm.
Living
Like the
just like
cats
a
and the
dog.
dogs.
Like cats and dogs, yes. Not
Yeah.
knowing. Is Kripana. Yes, that was Prabhupada has
Mm.
quoted. These two verses from Garga Upanishad.
Mm.
Yes, quoted.
Mm.
Yes.
Whereas the untouchability of the people
Mm.
in India, introduced by these Kali Yuga Brahmanas, or previously also was like that. In previous ages was also this system of untouchability, or in the Kali Yuga was this system.
Huh? Golden. আচ্ছা কে ଦେଇଛିଟି
রাঘব সেই কইছে সব
রাঘব
রাঘব মারো
କୋଉ ରାଘବ
ভক্তি রাঘব
ଭକ୍ତି ରାଘବ ଭକ୍ତି ରାଘବ ସେଠି ଦେଇଛି
সে কইছে সে তার সব কইছে তো
ହୁଁ
সে চিটেছে
ହୁଁ
তো সেটি ফিরে যাও সে
ଆମ ଚିଠି ତ ଯାଇଥିବ ନା ଏତେ ଆଡେ ବୁଲିକି ଆଇଲାଣି ଆଚ୍ଛା yes what was it yes
This untouchability of the people.
untouchability huh
I was introduced by these Kali Yuga Brahmanas, or previously also was like that in previous ages.
Spurusha, yes, previous ages were there. That
It's also there. But
Those are low birth, you see. Very low consciousness. Like chandalas. More than that, lower than that. That is pukas. They are untouchables. Yes.
yes, I was reading in the newspaper recently.
Yes, what is that? Mahabharata.
Uh-huh.
That is there. Drona, that Ekalavya came. Drona didn't accept.
Oh yes, yeah.
He's from this tribal family. Do you understand?
Which considered as untouchable.
Mm.
It might be low class, but
Mm.
not untouchable.
Not untouchable.
But here,
Because of his consciousness.
Uh-huh.
He develops consciousness. I said, this is said, one may be born in Mleccha family,
Yeah.
but he becomes Krishna conscious, Vaishnava, then is real Brahman, Vaishnava, is very dear. Krishna says, that's him. One may be very proficient in 4 Vedas, Chatur Veda, knows this Vedic truth, Vedic knowledge, but is not my devotee, a bhakta.
Right.
He's like Chandal.
Yeah.
But
Because-
one is born in Chandal family, becomes my devotee, is very dear to me.
Because these Brahmas were so strict about this that some untouchable touched them, they cut his arm off or cut it to pieces. It was just recently, about a few months ago, what
Yeah.
happened in one village. The one so-called untouchable touched a Brahmana and they killed him. You know?
Where is Brahmana today? No Brahmana in Kalistanga.
But,
Why? That Brahmana has no
killed the
such
whole
right.
family. Can you imagine?
No such right. No Brahman. Kalistanga Sudra Sambhava.
Uh,
All are Sudras, no Brahman. Only one takes accepts, comes to this line of Mahaprabhu's line. Real Vaishnava. He's real Brahman. But, real Brahman.
Yeah.
Becomes real Brahman, Vaishnava. And Mahaprabhu is Patita Pavana. Mahaprabhu is Patita Pavana. Deliverer of the most degraded, most fallen, is Patita Pavana. We have nothing. This thing is not there untouchable. Mahaprabhu embraces one another. Mahaprabhu is so merciful.
Yeah.
যাচিয়া দিল কখন তম অধম কিছু না বাঁচিল যাচিয়া দিলে কখন he never discriminates whether is উত্তম or adham. He embraces. We have no such thing untouchable. His soul. His soul.
This point you're making about Arjuna, he was affected by this kapanya. Kapanya. So it just seems to my understanding that suggests that unless one actually becomes a pure Vaishnava, he must be affected by that consciousness. Until one becomes a pure Vaishnava,
Yes.
he must be affected by that kapanya.
Yes, must be. That is there. That's what Arjuna says this thing. Karpanya dosa pahata subhava. Yes. I am bewildered because I am affected by this karpanya. I am no Brahmana. That is what is said.
So the real Brahmana is a
Yes.
Vaishnava.
Real Vaishnava is real Brahmana. Yes. Vaishnava is real Brahmana. Perfect Brahmana. Is perfect Brahmana. Yes.
So as neophyte devotees, we shouldn't expect other devotees around us to be acting perfectly because we're all affected by this kapanya. So we shouldn't expect others to act as brahmanas around us. We should be tolerant of everyone.
Tolerant. That Mahaprabhu said Taroriva Saisnana. Yes, tolerant as tree. Yes, tolerant. And you set the right example. One should set up right example. Then others may follow him. Right? Your behavior should be exemplary. The real perfect Brahman behavior or Vaishnava behavior, then others will follow it. Then they will be elevated to the position of Brahman and Vaishnavas. Yes. That is doing good to them. Real good.
Oh.